All right, guys, so we got the Be Right Golf. This is a pretty awesome product. This is their putting alignment tool that they have. And I tell you what, if you have seen their putting mirror that they have, which I have set up right here, this is just another tool to help with your tempo and consistency when it comes to your golf game. So a couple things about it. You have scan for instructions on it. So this is the way it comes right here, scan for instructions. So this can be put on the course, on the green, or you can play with it at your house or at home. Very, very easy product to use overall, and that is the number one reason why you need it. Second thing, tempo, right? So it is going to allow you to create some tempo on the shorter putts. So you can set some tees here, the 1, 2, 3, and 4 on both sides to create tempo and swinging back and forth, and I'm going to show you that here in just a minute. And then it allows you to create some solid alignment and having your club path going in the right direction. There's nothing worse than missing a short putt, so this is going to allow you to not miss it. So let's go ahead and set this out here. We're going to line up some putts right here. So we're going to set it up just like it would be. And then we're going to also see what it's like to add some tees to it for tempoing. So just like you would have the other, you can line this up just like so. And then, we're going to, you can see the path come through there, making it nice and easy. So it allows you to make sure that you're having a solid through of your putt and swing. Now, next thing, you're able to come here. You can drop in some tees. Now, these are a little bit larger tees, so not going to work as well. Let's see here. So we can put them on line, or let me see if I can snag some smaller tees from my bag here. Yep. So let's throw in some smaller tees. Just like so, onto the 3, just like that. Now what I can do is I can work on the tempoing of my swing. So that makes it important. So I'm having a proper backswing as well as a proper follow through to the right distance. There's nothing worse than a good backswing and then you're coming too hard and then you're following too far. I did that on purpose just so I can show you what I'm talking about. So here we go. We get lined up here, working on tempo, and there you have it. So we're able to focus, getting the distance we want, and based on that, getting a consistent stroke of the golf ball at that point in time. So it just makes it really important. Again, I can practice this anywhere. I got here at my home simulator, so I'm able to get this out and get some practice putts in and make sure that I am just staying consistent. So just like that. Stay consistent on it. You have the mirror and then also the swing path that they have for the putting. And then I can easily go in and set this up. If I want to work on something shorter, I can do that as well. Boom, just like so. Let's say I got a small 1 foot, 2 foot putt, something simple. Just like so. So I can see a nice, easy tap to that, and that's how it's going to be working at the end of the day. Guys, it's Be Right. Made of some awesome material. Very high quality stuff. Has everything you need right there so that you can up your golf game. Guys, if you don't know, Be Right. You got to be right so you can be making it happen on the golf course. Guys, check it out.